Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Ivano-Frankivsk, and this is the train, and I'm trying to figure out which one I catch. And so there's track like 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then there's cars. But if you look down that line, this train is like enormous. And then if I turn this way, it ends there, but I've gone and I've talked to the people, and I'm just trying to figure out, you know, how the hell I'm going to find out which train I'm on. And I have my ticket, and it says train 231, and it says track 2, but the lady told me track 1. And I think this is track 1, but I think track 2 is on the other side. And so, and then I'm in place 9, and I leave at 14:42, so 2:42. So anyway, so I'm gonna go see if I can find this and figure this out. It's a challenge. Bye everybody. So I'm trying to figure out the stuff. So that one says Ibayo, which I think is here, and that one goes to Habakuk. But it says 047, but this one says car 15, but I think I'm on car 9. I have no idea. Are you, do you speak English?
Yeah.
Are you going to Lviv?
No, I'm going to Ivano-Frankivsk.
So how do I, so this is my information here. And I have the actual ticket. So this is the ticket here.
You need to go, I think it's 15 train, no?
15.
Yeah.
This car is 15,
Yeah,
and then 16, 17.
No, I think 14, 13, and to the
Oh,
one.
okay.
You need to go to the second one. It's, I think, there.
Way down there.
Yeah.
Is this one going to Lviv? Does that say Lviv?
It says Ivano-Frankivsk, but it goes through the Lviv also.
It goes through. Is this the right train?
Yeah, it should be this. Wait, I'll sort it because...
Are you going? But you're not going to Lviv. And thank you so much for helping me.
Yeah, you'll go.
This is it.
Yeah.
Okay, so go down to train 2, car 2.
Let me take it and check again.
I don't speak or read it, so, and it says seat 9. Is that right?
Yeah.
On car 2. Because this says car 2, right?
Yeah, this is 15.
Okay.
And you go to the 2.
Go to 2.
Yeah.
And then it's seat 9.
Yeah, this is your place.
Seat
where
9.
Where you will sit.
Okay. Okay. So I am headed to car 2, and this one's 14. It's amazing how long these cars are. I mean, I you know, obviously they have to fill them up. I am so happy that guy spoke English. That is so nice. But this is the right car, I guess. And it looks like it has people on it because those cots are full. 13. Okay. Well, I won't bore you. I'll get down here to 2 and see if I can find my home. Bye-bye, everybody. Okay, so he took my ticket. And so this is my car, car 2. And I guess this says Ivano-Frankivsk, and this one says somewhere else, I don't know. But this is my car, so I guess I'm gonna throw my bag up there. Bye everybody. Okay, I'm on my train, and I'm in seat 9, which I think is down here, and I put my bag in there, and then I think I gotta shut that somehow. And there's a bunk up here, and then I think that's for bags or something, but and then you get sheets or linens or bedspreads, I think, of some kind. Hello. And then, you know what? I better figure out how to shut this thing, or somebody's gonna walk off with my bag, huh? There we go. Okay, that's me, that's down. But I wanted to show you, so this is where they store, I guess, dirty linens or something. And then, but I thought I'd show you something else too. Is this the bathroom? Or maybe the bathroom's in here. Oh boy. Oh boy, okay. Well, I guess that's the bathroom. No soap, no towels, and I touched that handle. Ick. But maybe this is where they do service, because it looks like there's sodas and chips and maybe coffee or something, hot water. I don't know. But this is what it all looks like. 3.5 hours, okay. It's interesting, everybody, and I think these just come out, right, or something. I don't know. I think I better figure out how to open my window. Okay, everybody. I guess I better figure out how to get my sheets too, or something. And these boards like this, it's just solid wood. There's no padding or anything else. So it's just, I mean, it's not like you're sitting on foam or anything. You're just sitting on a piece of wood. And I know that when I was coming this way, that after 3.5 hours, my butt was pretty numb. You know, it's always an adventure, I guess. That's the way it is. Okay. Thanks for coming, everybody. Bye-bye. So the window doesn't budge. It won't open or do anything, and so it's pretty rock solid. Does this one open? No. And I can't tell you, I mean, it is like this one is a handle. How nice that is. Can I pull this down? Okay, so that one has a handle, so that at least we know they pull down, but mine doesn't have a handle. All right, I'm gonna see what I can do to yank that bad boy open. And this one doesn't have a handle. Does this one have a handle? That one that one has a handle though. Oh, and that one's seized shut. Okay, well, man, this is not an Amtrak, everybody. Okay, bye. Everybody.
Oh, and so the window doesn't open here.
So this section doesn't open, and this one doesn't open either.
Вот это и еще третье купе и шестое.
Не открывается.
Ага, so the third and the sixth places
They don't open at all.
Don't open at all,
okay.
yeah. Yeah, it's gonna probably be hot.
It's gonna be hot. Are you in here too?
Yeah, we're right here.
Oh, right on, right on. You guys speak English. Very
Yeah.
good, very good.
Yeah.
I do travel videos, so I'm doing a video
sweet.
of riding on the train. So
Is that all good? He's asking.
yeah, I'm fine.
Всё
Does he have an air conditioner?
No.
I would assume no.
The ticket says no conditioner.
Yes. Okay. Wow, interesting.
Quite an experience, though.
So,
Yes. Where are you guys from? Here?
well, we live here in Kiev.
Do you mind if I film you? I do Eric Cluck's travel videos, so I've been doing videos for a long time, and
wow.
I'll put you on, YouTube and stuff. So, what's your name?
Mary.
Mary?
I'm Andrew.
And you're from where?
I'm from Colorado, actually.
Really, Colorado? How do you speak Ukrainian?
Well, I spent a lot of time here in Ukraine. I grew up here.
Really?
And my parents work here, so I grew up
So
here.
you know the language? Wow, that's really amazing, because I don't run into very many people that speak English. So.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
And you guys are traveling just to...
Yeah, we actually just got married. We're on our
Congratulations! Wow, right on, knock on wood.
Thank
So,
you.
yeah, very cool, very
So
cool.
we're just going to Lviv right now.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah.
How long are you in Lviv for?
We haven't even. We don't know. We're
We
just
just
kind of.
decided,
Yeah, hanging out. We've
Just-
been in the mountains for a week, and now we're going to Lviv, and then we're gonna see.
Right on.
happens,
Have you been to Lviv before? You have.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I was just there, and so I came here because of the jazz festival, and now I'm going back for a month.
Oh, okay.
So I'll be in Lviv for a month. So.
Oh, wow.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. I love Lviv. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what brings you? To
I'm
Ukraine
I've never
specifically?
been here before,
Oh,
and
really?
so I'm just going town to town to town and seeing as much as I can. I'll probably go to Odessa next,
Oh,
and
wow.
see it all. And what do you guys do? Just go to school or work or?
Yeah, we work with college students. We do English camps and English
Really?
clubs with college students. So yeah.
Wow, very cool. Very cool. He's got a beer.
Спроси, пожалуйста, на телефон зачем, для чего снимают?
Он
Просто блогер.
блогер, да.
Huh?
Видео.
Ок.
He's just wondering why do you record?
Oh, okay. I do videos. So Eric
Yeah.
Clark's travel videos.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
we said you
Yeah.
were a blogger. or
Yes,
whatever,
okay,
yeah, so
that's
there we
fine
go.
too. Well, I'll stop recording. Okay, so he's going to explain how these bags work. So
Okay.
everybody gets a
So,
bag.
Everybody gets a bag, and inside of here you've got 2 sheets, and you've got like a towel to wash your face and a pillowcase. And they provide mattresses with pillows in them.
And that's what these are.
That's
These are the
what those are, yeah.
mattresses.
So usually you'd be taking a long train ride overnight, and
Okay.
you unfold your mattress and you put
In the
sheets
bed.
on the bed, yeah, and you put the sheets on it, and that's how you sleep all night. Like
Wow. But we're only going to Lviv, which is
Yeah.
only like, what, 3.5 hours or something?
that. Yeah, about 3 hours.
Okay,
or
okay.
Something. Yeah. So.
Okay. And then but they give us these sheets, and so we should cover these because these people have used these over and over and over again, but they just give you the sheets to put on the top.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. The sheets are
Sanitary.
clean.
Right.
why
These
they're
are clean,
so
but
bad.
these are less than. Okay. Right on. Okay. What else do I need to ask? What else can you tell me? And do they serve alcohol or food or anything on the train, or
They serve tea.
just tea?
They can give you tea or coffee.
Tea or coffee?
And,
Who wants heat, man? Oh, I'm
yeah.
like dripping right
Yeah.
now. So
Actually, usually down there they have a big pot thing that boils hot water. So that's where they get their hot water for the tea or coffee. But if you want just hot water, you can ask them for hot water
Right.
whenever.
I looked at that little room. It was like a little like look at the sink. It looked really icky.
Oh, yeah, there's a bathroom in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's gross.
Yeah.
Don't
and,
use those, huh?
Well, I mean, if you have to.
Yeah, I guess if it's a plus.
and
Yeah.
I think the toilet flushes right onto the tracks. So.
Nice. I was in
yeah.
France and it does the same thing.
Okay.
So it just splatters all over the train. So
Yeah.
nice. Where's he at? I hope nobody else is in our area because it's gonna get. If there's more people, it gets hotter, right?
Yeah. Well, вам сюда?
Да.
Да.
Не, на 11.
11. Okay, he's in 11, so.
11. Which
this-
one's that?
Is this?
Можешь-
Oh, he's on the downer
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
How you doing? Hello.
My English very bad.
No, at least you try. That's wonderful. So it's better than my Ukrainian. So okay, everybody, I'll stop recording. Thanks, everybody.